Hey guys, I know the GlowSabers are cool and all, but are we going to actually start with this pitch?
Oh, yeah. Are we filming? You know what, Bex? I think it's a great time for let the world know what we're doing.
I think so, Carlos. Let's begin.
Let's do it. GlowSabers is a product that will teach kids very important principles of physics, science, and product design. And the idea is to inspire the kids to follow a technical or scientific career.
It combines all of those different elements of electronics and physics and sight, light, and sound, and it integrates it into one awesome product. The thing that I like additionally onto that is that with each different aspect of the GlowSaber, we get to teach about different parts of physics. So we get to teach about electricity, we get to teach about sound and light, and how all that comes together to make one final product, which I think is fantastic.
There are about 1,400 schools that teaches grades 6 to 8. There are more than 1 million students in those grades. If we can reach at least 1% of those students, that means that there will be another 1,000 people getting into the fields of engineering, science, and design.
So our curriculum is different because it mixes in hands-on experience with a class curriculum. So instead of just getting a lecture on physics and learning about light and sound and electricity and how it all interconnects, we actually have an actual thing that kids get to build. And they get to see how putting different electronical parts together will end up with different colors, different sounds, and they get to actually have the practical hands-on experience that they won't get in a normal classroom.
Well, we're raising the money because we need to get all the materials to build the sabers. For instance, we need microprocessors to drive the lights and the sound. We need also soldering stations to put everything together, and some hand tools that the kids will need while assembling their own GlowSaber. One of the reasons why I decided to use crowdfunding is that it is a great way to find out whether people will be interested in this kind of product. The other group that have to vet this are the students. But let's start with the adults. Well, you know what? Even $1 will help. But if they cannot donate money, they can certainly help us spreading the word using their social networks, or contacting their local school districts and asking them to have the program in their schools. With your help, I am sure that our team can tackle the challenge of teaching kids science, engineering, and product design.
Help us prepare today's teens for tomorrow's technologically driven world.